In today's video, I'll be swatching the new Jelly Kisses collection by Zoya and showing you an easy ombre design using the polishes. The pastel jellies are described as a kiss of sheer milky color and a super shiny base. There are 3 new colors in the collection and a shimmery topper polish. These are available for purchase individually, or you can pick up the whole thing, including the topper. So let's start swatching. First up, we have Viki, which is a milky gray jelly with a slight purple tint. The first coat of this was almost undetectable. It just kind of tinted my nails a very slight gray color. Second coat made the color more noticeable, but I didn't particularly like the sheerness of 2 coats for this shade. I just didn't think it looked very flattering. But 3 coats gave the color a nice opacity while still being slightly sheer and having that squishy texture. Up next is Libya, which is a beautiful pastel orchid color. The first coat of Libya gave me a nice healthy pink tint to my nails, and I think this would work really well for the base of a French manicure. The third coat pretty much made this color completely opaque. I do have a slight flash of nail line in certain lights, but it really wasn't that noticeable, and I totally would still wear it this way. Next is Princess, and this is a true Barbie pink color. This one was the most opaque of the 3. Its first coat was about the same opacity as the other's second coats. All of these jelly polishes so far have had a beautiful formula and applied very evenly, which is a must for jelly polishes. I've found jelly polishes are notorious for looking super patchy and streaky, but these don't at all. The second coat of Princess really applied beautifully, and even though you can see the nail line, I think it looks really pretty and dainty that way with this color. Third coat again made this color about 99% opaque. There is just a tiny flash of nail line in certain lights. These polishes look beautiful sheer or built up to full opacity, and they would also be great for jelly sandwiches. If you pick up the quad, you also get a gorgeous shimmery topper polish called Leia. This polish is a sheer opalescent white with flecks of fuchsia, green, and gold. You can wear this alone for a subtle shimmer over your natural nails or layer it over the jellies to really transform them. Now I'll show you an easy ombre look you can create with these jelly polishes. First, I applied 1 coat of Libya to my entire nail, and before it dried, I went back in and added a little more color just to the bottom half of my nail, and then I let that completely dry. Next, I grabbed Princess and I applied that over the bottom half of my nail, pulling less product up over the middle so that it blends better with the previous color. Then I added more of Princess just over the free edge of my nail to really intensify the color and give it a strong ombre effect. You can leave it like that or finish with the shimmery topper. These jelly polishes do dry with a super squishy shiny finish, which will be even more enhanced with a glossy top coat. And there you go. I think Zoya did an awesome job on these jelly polishes, and I love the wearable pastel tones. I also love how buildable they are. I like that you can wear them sheer, build them up to full opacity, or even layer them over glitter. How would you wear these jelly polishes? You can let me know in the comments below.